Sharan. That's my partner Jobin. We are from Kindset. So I request all of you to just disconnect from the power grid for some time. We are not much into the power. So what we are like an angel for social good. So this is a social good ecosystem at present. It's like a lot of islands. We have the NGOs who lack the resources, the volunteers, money. There are the CSR money, a lot of money floating around, which is not being utilized in an efficient manner. And there are volunteers, would-be volunteers. They are trying to volunteer. They are not getting enough opportunities. Maybe not. They are getting connected to the right causes. Then there are the beneficiaries who live in the inequality side of the whole world, who need the resources. So, how can we connect islands? We will create some bridges in between all those islands. So, that's our solution, creating a bridge between all these islands. So, the solution is like we connect the corporates, NGOs and volunteers. So, anyone who like to support the needy or who needs some help to the through things, money or services or care. Like people can donate money, they can give some care or service, or they can donate things. So that's the whole solution about. So the market is like 20,000 crore is the expected market for next financial year, total CSR market. And funny thing is that a study says only 1/3 of it can be utilized with the existing NGOs and resources available of that money. So, and the gifting and donations market is like 6,000 crore around the world, and it's like in the next year itself, it's a 1,000 crore feasible market for a company. So, this is like the competition which is existing in the market. There are fundraising platforms for the social causes. Like Milab, Samhita, Give India and a lot of other platforms. What is lacking in most of these platforms are like they are just for fundraising, or like they are in the static web era. We are now into the content rich, user generated and crowdsourced data phase. So in our olden days we used to communicate or interact with neighbors or in a small community only. As the information and the transportation facilities, our communication facilities have increased, and now everything is about your online reputation, your Stack Overflow score or LinkedIn endorsements, whatever. So all these platforms doesn't have anything of long-term value for these NGOs, or all these profiles are just static. Like Milab just have the profile of the partner organization, lenders, all these are static. They don't, most of them don't have any reputation system in place. Like a company which would like to donate to autism children, they don't know who's the best in that space. So that's a one key differentiation we create. Then we have the donations. Our donations start from just 5 rupees. So anyone who find a cause interesting can donate. It's as easy as like we charge our Paytm wallet. So and the things which we can, I mean the items which can be donated, it's from money, services or things, and the monetization strategies are like two strategies. One is like gifting, well, like when there is a school opening session and someone is interested in donating some books to a rural area, and they can just pay it on our platform and they'll get it. So we will take a commission from such sales, and the other one is fundraising for other causes, and we will take we'll just get a pay from the money raised. So the momentum we have, as Shyam have already mentioned, we had a pivot since February, since we started in PowerStart, and after that we did a market study, and we talked with NGOs and the social causes, orphanages and activities, and we are now partnering with Technopark, the biggest IT park in Kerala, for a donation drive. So an NGO which supports the rural areas is building a library for the rural area. by donations from Technopark. So the donations are like used books. So like in the next 2 months, we plan to do such drives to a platform. It's like we'll be able to reuse or redistribute around 10,000 used books. So the amount of that's where the clean tech angle comes. The amount of resources which people, if they donate them, if we reuse them, the amount of production we can reduce, the amount of pollution we can reduce. So it's like 80% of the things you have around your home, you just go back to your home and look around your room. So and see the things which you have been used for the last 5 months. You can see 80% of things you never use. So it's about donating them to the needy and or gift to them someone in need. So we can reduce things flowing to the landfill, as well as we can reduce the clutter. We can reduce the production as well as the waste of resources by that. So this is the growth plan we are intending. Initially we will be focusing on creating NGO activities through our site a lot, mostly focus on the activities related to these NGOs, and the next level we will get to more followers with the activities by posting these things to the social platforms, and we'll get more users by that, and then these users will turn into volunteers or people who contribute to the causes, and but there will be a gamification reputation system to keep them as well as engage them. And then we'll move into the once we reach the critical mass, we will move into generating revenue from the modes which we have already mentioned. This is our team, me and Jobin. We have been making together, doing things together for the last 6 years. We were in college together, and after that for the last 2 years we worked with different startups, and one we founded together. We have expertise in implementing complete solutions for complete digitalization solution for hospitals. We have worked with web platforms, near field communication, CMS, and CRM solutions. So we are all, then we have got a lot of mentors from Infuse. PowerStart itself, Kannan helps us with clearing out our clutter from our mind, and Udaya helps in the user experience side of our product. And Sijo, he has been our mentor for the last 2 years. He is the CEO of Startup Village from Kerala. Also, Bimal helps us in the marketing strategies. So that's all about us. You can get in touch with us in these contacts, and if you have anything which should help us, which is something related to the social good or CSR, just get into us. Thank you.